All right, welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. In this video, I'm going to continue with the worship guitar basics, worship guitar series. I know a lot of you have been enjoying the lesson so far, and a lot of you have been giving a whole lot of comment, nice comment like this. I really appreciate. Thanks you for always commenting. Thanks for always liking and sharing. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to play a song and I'm going to make some other reference. I'm going to make some other tricks, some licks over the worship song many of you are familiar with, many of you are popular with, okay? So, a lot of guitarists, when you go online, you see a lot of guitarists playing one particular key. A lot of people like doing lessons on the key of C, on the C major, okay? So I don't like teaching people much on C major. I like exploring my guitar teaching in different keys because if we'll be very sincere and honest with ourselves, many of the keys we encounter during live section, during live play is always a flat or sharp key. They are not always a major keys, okay? It's just like a G, F, C, all those major keys, them. Yeah, that's it. It always, many of the time you can come across C sharp, B flat, key of B, or A sharp, and the rest. Okay. So with that, if you continue to watch my video, if you continue to learn from what I'm showing you guys, you see that every key you come across at the end of the day, every key you come across will be easier for you, and you'll be able to improvise and figure out whenever you come across them in your sections. Okay, so without wasting much of time, let's move straight to the video. Okay. All right, so we'll be doing we'll be doing the lesson in the key of B. This is a key of B. Okay, for many of you that are not really familiar with the key of B, this is the key of B. Okay, key of B is just a note, is a one note down, okay, flattened down from the key of C. Is a B and C, okay? Okay, that's it. Do, do. So when you learn your major scale, like I always say, in different keys, whenever you find yourself, okay, no matter where you find yourself and another key is being raised, you'll be able to you're able to solo very well and with a whole amount of confidence, okay? All right, so if you know that the first time we'll come across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload. Okay, guys, so if you want to join my online class, like I always say, make sure you chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible also. Okay? All right, let's go straight to the video. All right, so I believe many of you are familiar with this song. You are the reason I live. Okay? The key in the key of B, like I said.
You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're just the very one for me. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me, God. You're the one for me. I'm missing constant. You're the reason I live. You're the very one for me. You're the one for me. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are the reason I live. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're the one for me.
Okay, so like you can hear, so that's it. So the first thing you have to do when a song come up like that as a guitarist, okay, don't rush to play all the notes, okay? Don't rush to play too much. Well, the first thing you just have to do is just relax on the chord using your source chord. Like I always say, pick the string backward from like this. You are the reason I live. You're the one for me. You're the one. So you have to stay on the chord so you'll be able to know the progression and you'll be able to know how to, solo it and figure it out, okay? As simple as now for the chorus part I say, why should I feel when I have you? Okay, the chord there is why should I feel? Play Va. I'm playing an open E chord. Playing an open E chord. Okay, that is a Va in the key of B, an open E chord. And I play F sharp major. Okay, F sharp major chord, major bar chord. That is saw in the key of B. C. This is a G sharp minor chord, okay? G sharp minor chord. They don't know what you mean to me. They don't know what you mean to me. So I came to this place and play that licks I showed you, that riffs I showed you. I used that in one of my guitar solo. So I used that in one of my guitar solo. I did recently. This video.
Praising my Savior.
Okay, so like you can hear what I played there. So when the song is a bit calm, then you go to your go to the root of that note. Okay, stuff like that. Just be maintaining the groove. I told you how you can mute your string. Just be maintaining the groove. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to show you other licks you can still, practice over. When you come across worship song, some things you can play also to sound nice, sounds better. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next video.